Talk, the place where I talk tech. Hey, I'm coming at you with a quick little unboxing. Actually, this is something I've wanted for a while, and I can't say that I've necessarily needed it. So this is kind of my excuse to get it. It's a battery grip. Oh gosh, it says for a D5500. So I don't know if this is gonna fit my camera. This is a true unboxing and I'm like, oh no. Okay, so I ordered the one for a D5600 and I got the one for a D5500. Focus, focus. I'm not sure if you can see it in the left right hand corner. But this is from Neewer, and basically you can see how live this video is because I'm like so hurt that I just found out I have the wrong thing. And I've had all this stuff piled on my desk, like waiting for my shoot tomorrow, and you know, I'm like, check, this arrived, and looks like I might have the wrong one. So I don't know if it works for my camera, but I'll see. What battery grip does is basically allow you to have multiple, I'm totally like flipping because I do not own a Nikon D5500, so yeah, here's hoping that it fits. What a battery grip does for you is allow you to have multiple batteries in at a time and basically prevent you from having to change like your batteries as you shoot. And it also just makes, if you're shooting with a smaller camera, it just kind of gives you a bigger, like heftier thing to hold. Like, I really love the size of this camera. It fits in my hand perfectly. I can just grab it and go, and that's what I like about it. But some people like a big hefty camera. So if you're used to like a D5 or a D500 or something like that, and you grab a small camera, it's gonna feel strange. Like, but I'm more of a smaller type camera, bigger lenses. Like, I would rather put my money into expensive lenses than big expensive cameras. But that's only right now. If I were a professional photographer and I got paid a lot of money to shoot videos and take photos, then maybe that opinion may change. But for right now, like, I totally love this camera. Yeah, that's my spiel. But back to this battery grip. I'm not so sure it's gonna fit my application. And it's pretty disheartening that, like, I definitely ordered one and I was shipped the wrong one. And this is made by Neewer, which you guys are probably familiar with if you are on Amazon, like a lot, which most tech enthusiasts are, whether you're into photography or gaming or whatever what have you, they pretty much have you covered. But Neewer is more of a photography type brand. Like, I have my first ever backdrop stand that I got is from Neewer. So I've seen their stuff around. It's relatively inexpensive. Looks like it might work. It has an on-off switch. It comes with this cable. It also comes with a infrared remote, which could be totally awesome. And a few sets of instructions. So I'm just gonna power my camera off and give it a shot. So how these things work is it's kind of like a fake battery. And then you load up the slot with actual batteries. So this pops out and it's able to hold 2 batteries. And this will probably let me know if it will work for my camera or not, if it can hold my batteries. Where are my batteries? That's right. Uno momento. Here they are. So I got the batteries. Alright, I'm gonna see if my batteries fit into this battery grip. And they do. Okay. That's great. That's a great start. So you pretty much drop 2 batteries in there like that. And then you slide the tray back in and twist and close. And then she closes you up. It looks like this mounts for the bottom of the camera mount. And then it gives you a secondary mount for a tripod. I'm gonna switch my camera to off and pop out the battery. I'll have to figure out how to get the little lid off the door. Okay, I figured it out. This kind of snaps off, and hopefully it's not like broken. It just seems to snap off. And once you get the battery grip chamber door off, then just slide it down onto the battery grip. And then this makes for, this is like the big look that I was referring to. So it looks like it does fit. And this wheel kind of works to tighten it down, which is pretty sick. I really like the way it looks with this battery grip on. So I'm super stoked about this. Like, this guy's awesome. So yeah, like I said, Neewer has a lot of camera equipment and things like that, and it's relatively inexpensive compared to a lot of the other brands that I see on Amazon. So I'm gonna put all this stuff to the side. Definitely might do a more thorough review type deal on this guy. Battery grips in general, why you may want to use them, and maybe a check back of how this is working out for me. And it's kind of like I wanted to get one, see how I liked it, see how it felt, and then maybe I'll get a more expensive one in the future if needed, and it powered my camera on. So I'm stoked. My battery life is just doubled, so I'm able to use 2 different batteries with this grip. Keeping with the theme of camera accessories, or semi-inexpensive camera accessories, I'm gonna go to lighting next. I'm shooting outdoors, so there will be plenty of natural light, but we're not starting to shoot till late, trying to catch that golden hour kind of dusk. So if we run out of sun at any point, I want to have something that's kind of small and portable that can get my last couple shots off and then get out of there. A lot of you have seen the Aputure light domes. This is the Aputure ALM9 on camera light. So super small. Let's see what's inside. All right, there is some instructions, which I love, which I always read. Psych. Now to the good stuff. So it comes in a little carrying case, which I think this is awesome. Anytime something comes in, like how these guys came in these cases, soft cases, this guy comes in a case. Like, I love when stuff comes in cases. Clip on the side, I can clip it to the outside of my backpack if I'd like. Looks like a hot shoe mount. There's a USB cable here, and here's the light. So it's an unboxing. I don't know if it ships to me charged. It's currently off. Oh yeah. So I don't know what level it's on right now, but let's see how bright it gets. So this is the dimming feature. It seems to be like not changing much. And this is the plus sign. So it's getting like super bright. Oh yeah, this thing has some power. I'm gonna cut off my light and I'm gonna show you how much light this thing pumps out without having any other fill lights coming in. This light in the same position as that one, it pretty much lights up my scene. It's kind of warm of a light. It's not too harsh. And this is like, you know, at its full capability without any filtering. Let me get the light. Let me get my fill light back on. So yeah, this thing is tiny, but it packs some power. I mean, I'm gonna see the little square box like for the rest of the day. So it also comes with some gels. I'm not sure how you install them though. I'll just show you by holding it on for right now. So you can see the light just kind of warms up with this gel. And then there's also a blue gel, and it kind of gives you a more icy light. So this is the Aputure ALM9. So this was a total Amazon haul. This thing is sick, and I'm gonna look for a lot of little applications for it. You can mount it to the camera. I'm thinking you just lay these filters in place. Comment down below if you have this light and you know the best way to use these gels. I'm gonna kind of play around with it, try to figure it out as I go. But this little thing looks like a beast. I mean, and then it will mount directly on top. pretty much, you know, take your own light with you. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been MJ. This is MJ's Tech Talk.